Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. So today we're going to talk about shoes. I know that sounds crazy, shoes. But you definitely want to make sure that you're wearing the right shoes, especially if you're doing excursions. Some excursions do require you to wear closed-toed shoes. I know when we went horseback riding, saw people with flip-flops. What if they fall off? Then you're going to stop and have to get off the horse and put your shoe back on. So make sure that you're definitely wearing the right shoe. When you're doing the water activities, water shoe is recommended. If you're doing a lot of walking, you're going to make sure that you're wearing comfortable shoes, that you're not going to develop blisters or cut yourself or something like that. So definitely make sure that you're wearing the right shoe. Even on the cruise ship, I've worn flip-flops while it was raining and almost fell several times. So definitely make sure that the shoe that you're wearing is the appropriate shoe. Even during some of the activities on the ship, like rock climbing, yes, they provide shoes, but you do have to have socks on. The little bike thing on the Carnival cruise, they wanted you to wear tennis shoes. That way your shoe didn't fall off and hurt somebody. So definitely make sure that you are wearing the appropriate shoe. I generally take my tennis shoes, a pair of flip-flops just to walk around the hallways in, and then some water shoes. If you're doing formal night, you'll have your formal shoes and stuff. Just be very careful with your formal shoes so that you're not sliding on the floor, because sometimes that can get a little slippery. So make sure that you are wearing appropriate shoes. So that's my tip for the day. Very short, very simple. Shoes. I never thought I would do one on shoes because I do not like shoes. I would rather go barefoot, but they don't allow that in the dining areas. So also, just a quick mention, we do have a new music channel, High Seas Sounds. So if you want to take a listen to that, there is a link in the description box. And if you have a request, we would be more than happy to put something together for you. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't. I know we are trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of, I want to say November, for our second anniversary. So definitely hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and also lets you know when we have new videos available. Again, hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great weekend and try not to melt out there. I know we are hitting record highs. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.